Do you want to know how you can add your personal channel on your Telegram account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your personal channel on your Telegram account. Without wasting any time, let's go ahead and open Telegram. After you open Telegram, what you need to do is click on the three lines on the top left hand side and go to your profile. Now click on the pen button on the top of your right hand side screen and you can see your channel option. Go ahead and click add and you can see some of your channels. Go ahead and add one of your channel and you can see that it will be displayed on your public profile. So go ahead and click on the tick mark on the top right hand side and there you go. Your public channel will be shown to your bio as other people can also access it. So it's quite simple. All you need to do is click on the three lines, go to your profile, click on the pen button and click on personal channel. You can hide your channel as well and you can click add and add some of your channels to your bio. After you're done, go ahead and click on the tick mark. So this was a video on how you can add your personal channel on your Telegram account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.